And these tips, they are based on empiric experience. And this practical approach and possibility that you see the information and you apply it immediately, and I see how you apply it, and maybe I correct you or give you some advice how to do it easier, you can really benefit, because the other courses, they're just recorded or a lot of information given at once, and you never at the end understand how to make I don't know, net present value, for example, for advanced or pivot table, or just a table, how to change the colors, how to move the first line above, things which are very simple, but sometimes, and you need it in your daily life. But actually, if you're so scientific in Excel, you cannot find these tips. And that's why our classes can help you.